Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Gherkin the Lurkin YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a jetpack using only 10 pieces or less. It's 9 pieces. Let's go! What you see in front of you is all you'll need. Actually, hold on, let me just check. There we go. I was just making it easier to see the grey pieces. Now what you need is all you see in front of you. So these plates have class as modified, so I've got that on. And now to get onto the actual building, all you need to do is you need to take your two of these, hold them together like this, and grab a plate of some sort. I just use this because it's the only one I have ready. And you just push it, you just put them on so they're both in the same way like that. Now you'll grab this and place it here. There's the first two steps done. Now grab you one of these and put them on like so, and then do it again. And now for the last step, all you need to do is you need to grab this and pull it on. And there we go. That's what your jetpack actually looks like while being worn by a minifigure. And if you can also grab these and add flames to them. Hold on, let me show you what that looks like. There we go. And you can add bigger flames, but this is the biggest flames you can add when you have the minifigure standing. And you can use this for all kinds of stop motion. Like the one you should see right now, hopefully. Whee! And that's what the animation looks like. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Gherkin jar by subscribing, and watch all the other videos in my 10-piece playlist. See ya!